In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix Telegram username not found. If you're trying to find someone on Telegram and the search keeps saying that the username was not found, there are a few simple things you can check before assuming the account is gone.
First off, double-check the spelling. It sounds obvious, but usernames are easy to misspell, and Telegram is pretty strict about exact characters. Make sure you included the @ symbol if you're typing it directly into the global search bar. Another trick? If you share a common group chat with this person, don't use the search bar. Head straight into the group's member list, scroll until you find them, and tap their profile from there. If they recently changed their handle, their account will still show up cleanly inside mutual group lists. Now, what if you've tried all of that and still get nothing? Well, we have to talk about the reality check scenarios. If someone blocked you, Telegram will often throw a not found or blank profile error. Alternatively, they might have completely deleted or deactivated their account. When a user deletes their Telegram profile, their username is wiped instantly, making them totally invisible to search. Hopefully, one of those gets you connected. If this helped you out, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.